Today I'm taking you way above the ground straight into the world of drones and how they're shaking up surveillance as we know it. Whether you're into the tech, the ethics, or just curious what's buzzing overhead, you're in the right spot. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a drone surveillance system? Picture a fleet of unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, outfitted with cameras and sensors, soaring above and keeping a keen watch on what's happening below. These aren't just flying cameras, they're your eyes in the sky, offering perspectives you could never get from the ground. Here's how it all comes together. First up, deployment. Drones can launch with the push of a button, either manually or on autopilot. Once airborne, they follow a set path or respond to real-time controls. Their onboard cameras, visual, thermal, even infrared, snap high-res images and video, streaming that data back down or storing it for later. Then, either a human operator or some slick AI analyzes the footage, spotting anything out of place and triggering alerts. Now let's talk real-world impact. Picture border patrol teams using drones to scan vast frontiers, or law enforcement pinpointing a suspect's location from above. Engineers can inspect pipelines and bridges without ever setting foot in dangerous spots. Environmentalists track wildlife and monitor deforestation, while disaster teams get instant views during floods or fires, saving lives and time. Even at concerts or construction sites, drones are keeping eyes on the action, ensuring safety and spotting issues fast. So, why all the hype? Drones give you an eagle-eye perspective that ground cameras just can't match. They're cheaper and faster to deploy than helicopters, can gather massive amounts of data, and keep humans out of harm's way in risky areas. Plus, they're super flexible, switching from cityscapes to forests in a snap. But let's keep it real, there are challenges. Privacy is a huge concern. Nobody wants a drone peeking in their backyard without permission. Battery life limits how long they can stay airborne, and there's a mountain of regulations to navigate. Bad weather can ground them, and if you're not careful, hackers could take over. And of course, public trust is still a work in progress. Bottom line, drone surveillance is changing the game, unlocking efficiency and safety like never before. But we've got to handle the tech responsibly. So what do you think? Are drones the future of security, or are they just a little too nosy? Drop your thoughts and questions below. And if you're into cutting-edge tech, don't forget to like and subscribe to SkySolution for more sky-high insights. Catch you in the next one.